Fitbit's devices are mostly known for their health and fitness tracking capabilities, such as steps, heart rate, and sleep data. However, Fitbit's newest smartwatches also give you some nice smart features right on your wrist. In this video, we will look at what I think are the top 5 smartwatch features of the Fitbit Versa 3 and Sense. And if you have a Fitbit smartwatch and are looking for new clock faces, consider checking out my clock faces. Find a link in the description or view the clock face playlist linked above. First is the ability to answer phone calls from your wrist. This feature is only available on the Versa 3 and Sense smartwatches, and you'll need to make sure this feature has been enabled in the Fitbit phone app. Once set up, when you receive a phone call, you'll see the name or number of the caller on your watch, and you can choose to answer or decline the call from your watch. If you select to answer the call, your phone will use your Fitbit watch's microphone and speaker, letting you take your call from your wrist. You can change the volume of the call, as well as open the phone keypad. Second is voice assistance. On the Versa 3 and Sense, you have the choice of either using Amazon's Alexa or Google Assistant as your voice assistant. Either of these give you access to controlling smart home devices set up with their respective apps and ecosystems, setting reminders, asking questions, and more. If you'd like to learn more of either of these voice assistants on Fitbit, I did a video discussing the top features of Google Assistant on Fitbit, as well as Alexa on Fitbit. You can find the links for those videos in the description below. Third is Fitbit Pay. Fitbit Pay lets you add credit or debit cards to your watch, making it possible to pay with your watch at places that accept NFC payments. Once you've added your card or cards from the Fitbit app, when at a store with a compatible payment terminal, open the Wallet app on your watch and select the card to pay with, and hold your watch near the reader. Now, this feature has a somewhat limited availability, as you'll need to be using a credit card or a debit card from a bank that supports Fitbit Pay, as well as be paying at a location that accepts NFC payments. Fourth is apps. In addition to standard built-in apps such as weather, timer, and alarms, you can also download new apps from the Fitbit Gallery, the app store for Fitbit smartwatches, using the Fitbit app on your phone. For example, there's a Spotify remote app that lets you control Spotify playing on another device, such as your phone or smart speaker. And if you're looking for apps for your Fitbit smartwatch, consider checking out my apps, including Sunset, to easily check sunrise and sunset times, Tennis Tracker for tracking your tennis score, and my brand new Calculator app, a simple calculator for your Fitbit watch. You can find a link to my apps in the description below. Fifth is phone notifications. Your Fitbit smartwatch can show you your phone notifications from any app on your phone, perhaps saving you the time of removing your phone from your pocket or purse. Notifications show up at the top of the Fitbit screen with the app's name, the app's icon for select apps, and a limited preview of the message. You can tap the message to view the full preview, and if you're using your Fitbit with an Android phone, you can reply to messages from your watch. Also, at any time you can swipe down from the top of the smartwatch screen to open notifications. Any unread notifications will show up here. From the Fitbit app on your phone, you can choose which app's notifications will show up on your Fitbit watch. And those are my top 5 smartwatch features for the Fitbit Sense and Versa 3. If you found this video helpful, Consider subscribing to the channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching. Until next time.